Ogus, are you present at the aircraft carrier?
Enter the rest.
Ogus, are you present at the aircraft carrier?
I'm at the ACC right now.
10-4. After it, can you please check the FIB mails in the Bloods channel? Yeah.
Okay, time for.
Whose aircraft is that?
Good. Go copy.
Is this that you? Okay.
Actually, I'm rich. Actually, I'm rich. Don't worry.
Shadow. Did
I
you
have
carry some extra
I have like
rifle ammo?
700 million in my cash.
Oh, really? Just stay here if you have 700 million.
Shadow, come here.
SHP, just stay here who is having 7 million, okay?
You're speaking to me, brother.
Who is saying like...
Do you have extra rifle ammos?
Thank you. I love you.
You
No
have 7
problem.
million in your pocket.
I guess
700 million, bro.
how many I have. Wait. Jesus. I only have 30. Give me 30, bro. Like, I directly came from the store robbery and I'm low on ammo. Yeah, thanks, brother. I guess I know you. Yeah, I know you properly.
Now you owe me fucking 7 million, guy.
No, bro, I was
Yeah,
suicide
yeah,
if I
yeah.
did that.
Look, I got
Rich.
the money.
Show me your booth IDs, guys. I want to see your
Give
names.
him.
Here is my ID of FIB.
Damn.
I didn't got from right pocket. I got from left pocket, bro.
Oh my fucking god.
Damn. Man.
Damn.
Yeah,
UNG.
yeah.
Soldier, show me your ID, please.
Damn, he needs my ID card for my
Rich
identification. Man.
Bimati.
You need my badge number or my ID card? Tell me.
He need your passport.
I need to see your ass, bro.
You're not respecting me.
No, I'm just
Who
kidding.
need my
I want to
passport? Who
see.
need my passport?
I need. I don't need your passport. I need your.
Like
I need your ID.
Sure, my ID card.
I swear, if someone say you
show me
ID
your
your ass, you gonna say
What do you
yes.
need?
Habibi, how are you?
I'm
Show me
fine.
ID.
Like, listen, you
Rich
need my
Memati.
ID card.
Rich
Yo,
Memati,
silence.
show me ID,
Silence,
show
you
me
need
ID.
my ID, guys. Can you give me silence?
Already
Silence
show
only
you,
for
bro.
1 second. Silence for 1 second.
I want to see again.
Yo,
He will
listen.
stop.
Alright, thank you. Yeah,
Angie,
what
show me
department?
Listen, Milky, you need my ID or not? Okay.
What department are you in?
I'm in the SWAT team.
Nah, yeah, I'm not.
Nice. Alright, guys, see you guys. Come, guys, come in the Forza. Hey, Anish, you steal my job. My job is to
Ah.
flying the heli. Oh my
No,
god.
open. You edit. You make edits.
No, not me. Edit one is the David. I'm just the music guy.
Oh, alright.
Yeah. What
I
the
got
fuck? Why I
me
left?
confused with the info.
Wait.
What
Take
the
me to
fuck
heli,
is
bro.
this?
I don't know what is happening, bro.
What the fuck is that? Do you also see what I'm seeing? Can somebody else get in?
I can't see.
Oh,
Wala tayong go, you can go.
okay, yes.
Who is sitting in the heli? Just put